Today, we are building a massive dual elevator marble track. Will Smiley or Panda survive the ultimate drop? Let's build it! Step 1, laying down the foundation. This track is going to be huge. Time for a quick safety test. Panda is looking smooth. Adding the orange high-speed rails, this section needs maximum slow. Test number 2, Smiley face is absolutely flying. Now we build the upper deck. More turns mean more action. He handles the spiral perfectly. Excellent pacing. No blocks are falling. The track is super stable. This McGreen curve is tricky, but he clears it. We are almost done. Choose your favorite marble in the comments right now. And don't forget to subscribe. Panda, Bluey, and Smiley are lined up at the starting line. Wait, we are not done. Let's add a second motorized spiral tower on the right side. Now we have dual elevators running. This is going to be chaotic. Ten marbles to elevators and one giant track. Let the ultimate race begin. Panda takes the blue slide. Smiley is right behind, and the blue marble falls into the spiral. The green lane is packed. We have marbles everywhere. Who is going to finish first? speed, the spirals are constantly feeding new marbles back to the top. It's a non-stop loop. This truck is a masterpiece. Comment which marble was the fastest. And hit that subscribe button for the next build. See you later.